Before proceeding to tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create simple stroke text animation in After Effects. So let's get started. Create a new composition by clicking on this New Composition button. Choose any preset as per your choice. I am going with HDTV 1080 with 29.97 frames per second. Let me name the composition, Text Stroke Animation. Click OK to create. After creating a new composition, right-click, choose New Text, and type your text. I am typing welcome. Change the text color, so that we can see it. Align its center. Click on this double-sided arrow to swap the color. If you want, you can increase the size. You can also increase stroke size. I am okay with 5 pixels. After that, select your text layer, go to Layer, and select Create Shapes from Text to create a copy of our text layer with shapes. Now you can see that we have 2 layers. In After Effects, by default, red color layer is a text layer, and blue color layer is a shape layer. When we created a shape layer from a text layer, After Effects invisible text layer and shows the shape layer. Now we don't need this red text layer anymore. So let's delete it. To delete, select your text layer, and press Delete key. Now click on this small arrow to show more options of the shape layer. Click on this small play button, and choose Trim Paths. Now click on this Strip Path arrow, to show its more options. I will make animation using End Stopwatch. So put your time slider at start. Click on the stopwatch of End property to mark the keyframe. Decrease the value at 0%. Now move the time slider some seconds ahead, in my case it is 19 seconds, and increase the value up to 100%. Put the slider at start. And play spacebar button to play the animation. You can see that we have made this stroke text animation. But you can see that all characters are revealing same time. To reveal characters one by one, from left to right, select the property of Trim multiple shapes individually, instead of simultaneously, and play the animation. Now you can see that characters are revealing one by one. If you think that their speed is faster and you want to slow it, just move the second slider forward to increase the duration of animation. And play now. Now speed is slow. You can also add background behind the text. To do so, right-click, New, and then click on Solid. Choose our desired color, and click OK to apply. Put background layer below the shape layer. Press spacebar to play the animation. You can increase the speed by decreasing the duration of the animation. To do so, select blue shape layer, and press U key to show the keyframes. Move the second keyframe to the first one. Actually, we decrease the duration of the animation in this way. You can see that it is revealing one by one. If we want to reveal all the characters same time, then again go to the properties of the shape layer by pressing 2 times U key. Scroll down and look for Trim Path. Change Trim multiple shapes from individually to simultaneously, and play the animation. Now you can see that all characters are revealing at the same time. That's it. So that was the tutorial creating simple stroke text animation in After Effects. I hope you like it. And if you have any question, suggestion or feedback, feel free to comment below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.